and the quality of his workmanship. But I'm saying that as a given because he's definitely one of the best that I've ever met. The thing that's most important is you can tell he really cares about doing a quality job. So he has reached out to me several times during the course of the job just to ask a question or bounce an idea or give us some options on the way we could do things. And it's just been his openness and willingness to ultimately do what's best for the job that we really appreciate. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend Mo at M&A for anyone doing anything to do with hardwood, staircases, anything requiring a great attention to detail and where you want a quality result for your job at a very competitive price.